Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use gesture navigation on OPPO Reno 15F. So first, we got those buttons, and we all know that buttons are just for older phones now. Everybody's using gestures, and you should too. It's much better. Now, of course, we're going to go into the settings and swipe all the way down until System and Update. Now tap on the System Navigation. And from System Navigation, instead of buttons, select gestures, and as you guys can see, we are already on the gestures. Now what we can do is we can hide the gesture bar. Of course it'll still be here, but it will be hidden. This is very cool. Now we can vibrate on back navigation, and we got the mistouch prevention. Of course we can learn the gestures, but it is pretty easy. This is the previous page, this is the home screen, and as you guys can see, this is basically how you guys can do that. Now of course you got circle to search by holding this button right here. This is how you hold it. You open up the recent tasks, and you can switch on the bottom between apps that you're using. So for example, as you guys can see, I can switch between apps like this. So now we also got the sensitivity on the edges. We got everything here. We can easily set this up, and of course circle to search. So you hold and touch the home button. As you guys can see here, we can select it, and now it is automatically going forward right here. So we got the circle to search, and we got the swipe animations, which is like this. We can turn this back, and this is how it looks like. So the animations are definitely better. You can see what's right here for an example, but that's basically how you guys can use the gesture navigation. That's how you guys can set it up. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.